Yeah.
So, I fell out.
Is that Harbor Freight, Eddie?
Yeah.
Where's the rest of those trucks at?
Yeah. Look at the silver eyes. I get to touch something in my box. When this $16. Well, look at this green one. $600.
$600. The payment or total?
Total $1,600.
Oh, $1,600.
Yeah. Look, this one in the yard. This one in the yard. This one in sand. This one on the road. And this one on the road.
Yeah.
So see this truck? Oh, shit. Look. I just hit myself. Look.
Oh, no.
From trailers.
I'm working.
And the trailers and the hook trailers. I just saw your tools.
And you hit yourself?
No. Ain't that my truck? Look at them.
Who's that?
I don't know. Maybe my driver, maybe.
One of your drivers? Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that's my drivers. Look, there's a map.
A map? You're right.
Look, so many people. And then, look, sand, snow. That's not sand, the snow. Look, $600. Look at this orange truck. Look at this orange truck.
I like it.
These trucks. You see rivals? This is rival truck.
Oh.
This rivals. But why do not have things? Why would they have pink? Pink paint. He didn't. He just had the red, the blue. That's it. And orange, red. Look, 16 gray. 16 gray. 16 gray.
What?
Look at this one. This is oil. Oil.
Yeah.
Look at this truck.
I like
this one's $600.
$1,600.
Yeah. Now that's not cheap to get.
No, it's not cheap at all.
These are cheap. This is not map. It's not the map. Look,
Yeah.